Alright, in this video I'm going to take a pick on a tool. This tool is specifically designed for Gentoo Linux distribution, and this is a bloody good tool to get information about related to various aspects of the system. So if you are on Gentoo and wanted to explore, so this tool might come in handy. This tool is called EQuery, okay, and it's not new. It's been there in the distribution for quite some time, and I have few aliases in my shell initialization file, which is bashrc, and which is taken straight out of the wiki page of the EQuery. Here I'm going to show you a little bit of demonstration of how to use various flags with this particular tool. Okay, so let me spawn up a terminal, move it to a designated place. Let me zoom in so you can see it. Okay, first of all, as I mentioned, I have few aliases as per the wiki page recommendation, so I keep those things in my shell initialization file for my sake to get the convenience. So how do I get it? EQuery, and these are the stuff I have inside my bashrc, which is hosted on GitHub under .file repo. You might take a pic. So these are the stuff I'm going to show you how it could help to explore the system if you are sitting on Gentoo. Let me open up another terminal. Okay, so first of all, it says EQF, that means EQuery F. As you can see, I have written the comments besides it, so it'll be easier for you to see through if you fail to get my word. So EQF, and if I write vim, okay, to basically get all the files related to vim. My machine will be slow, so please bear with me. So some of the output might take some time to show up, so you have to have patience to get on with it. Okay, so the first alias I run, which is EQuery F, to list all file installed by package. So as it is shown, alias to EQF, and I ran against, on the right hand side terminal, I ran against vim, and it searched and show me the list of file. Okay, so the next one is EQU, which display the use flag used by any specific package, EQU or EQuery U, whatever you say. I'm taking the same package vim. If I say, see, this is the flag I used while installing vim. Okay, or probably you can think of it, these flags are available when you start to install vim on Gentoo. So all you have to do, EQuery U flag, okay, with the package name. I think it's very clear, right? Don't get confused. So the next one is EQH, list all packages that have use flag. So if I write EQH, and if I write what, TTY, so if I think that some of the package while installing require TTY flag, so I run it again, EQuery H flag, and it should produce, oh, it doesn't have, okay. So if I say X, it should enlist a lot of packages which we just see. So this many packages require X flag. Okay, so I run EQuery H flag and give the keyword or flag name which should use by the package while installing. I gave X. Okay, so this many packages require X. And the next one is list all package for matching environment data stored, EQA. And if I write vim and tty, and it will take a little bit of time because it is searching through the ported tree to find out that what are the environment data store to use those stuff. Okay, so please be patient to get the enlisting if it is at all written anything. Okay, it doesn't. Okay, but you can use it like the way I have used it here, EQuery A, to list all package for matching environment data stored in the varly packages. Okay, so the next is that what are the files belongs to a particular package. Okay, so for that EQB or EQuery B flag. So again I'm writing, I'm keeping one single package just for the sake of this demonstration and consistency, so you should not get confused or distracted by some other things. Okay, so basically I'm trying to find, so these are the packages which need vim. That's what it is says, list what package files belongs to this particular package. Okay, and then list packages, all the list package matching package. Okay, so EQL, again vim, this is the only thing which matches this particular package. Okay, so basically it will list the package EQuery L. Okay, you can cross check with the left hand side terminal output what I'm trying to type on the right hand side terminal output for the demonstration. So next is list all packages directly depending on Atom. Say for instance let me try out OVM2. So I'm just trying to find out the Atom. Atom is the entire path. Okay, so of the specific package, I mean the entire path of the total package name. So let me select it. This is called Atom. Okay, and this has to be prefixed with either greater than sign, equal sign, or less than sign signifies whether this atom is equal to, less than, or greater than, something like that. Okay, so to run it, EQD, it says EQuery D flag. Okay, and if I do so it's showing this many stuff which is dependent on that particular package. You can see from the output, right? So this tool provide a lot of nifty feature which might come in handy if you're sitting on Gentoo and try to explore the system. Okay, next one is to get a display tree of all dependency for a package. So for that, EQG or EQuery G flag. Okay, and again I'm using Vim to find the graphical dependency model. See, this is how the Vim packages dependency is shown. Okay, so all I did, EQuery G flag. Okay, and it shows like this. Okay, So if you don't follow the output, you can try it yourself on the terminal itself. I'm just showing you how it should look like. Okay, the next one is to verify the checksum and timestamp of a specific package. For that, EQuery k flag has to be used. EQK. Okay, for the alias form, again I'm seeing it checked out 18 out of 18 file, which is required by Vim. Okay, and it behind the scene check the checksum of 2. Okay, so the next is to show some metadata about the specific package, EQM, which stands for metadata. Even I'm giving the same package name, which is Vim. See, it shows like this, the information about the package. Okay, so or if you want some sort of descriptive thing, that meta flag takes a parameter called description, like EQM, that means EQuery space M flag. Then if you write description, the literal word with double hyphen, okay, and then if you write Vim, it will spit out the information about Vim. It is simple. It will be based example. So if I write, instead of Vim Emacs, it will show you more verbatim text about the packages, which basically the meta M flag will show you the meta information about the packages, which will be the small vignette of the specific package. Okay, so this is that's why I run against Emacs, which has got more verbatim text than Vim has. So the next one is called keyword for specific package. So EQY, the EQuery Y flag, again I'm saying Vim. So this is the keywords which will be available in specific package. Okay, and now next is to show the size, EQS, that means EQuery S flag. Okay, if I write Vim, and it will list me the total size of the package. Okay, the last one, it will show me the path with the W flag of EQuery, EQW, and then Vim. It should show me where the stuff is, the e-build path of a specific package. I don't know if I have Emacs e-build in my system. It doesn't have, because I compiled Emacs and Vim from source, but I also installed Vim from Gentoo repo. That's why it was showing. But the point of this demonstration is that you can use a specific tool designed for that particular distribution to get best out of it. Why I'm showing this, sticking with a particular distribution for a longer period of time, you started to discover a lot of stuff which might come in handy in day-to-day life to discover so many stuff. The last thing I want to show, EQuery. Make no mistake, whatever this flag is showing, these all the output could be achieved in some other form, and I frequently use those two because I don't want to clobber your head with that kind of information. Sometimes customized, sometimes other tools are available on this specific distro specific platform. I'm sticking with the particular tool because it's popular, it's available, and it is easy to use. So that's why I'm making this video. So last thing, that you need to go to the man EQuery page. It says Gentoo package query tool, and it has got several flags, as you can see. So, and it's not too complicated to understand or fathom. Okay, so if you decided to bank on this particular tool, I would expect you to visit this man page and spend a little bit of time to read through and understand. As I mentioned, it is not complicated and it is not too long, so it will be worthwhile your journey if you spend some time on the man page, because that that is where the things are explicitly said. Okay, so this is a good tool to have in your armory. So please use it if you decided to sit on Gentoo and started to explore various aspects of the package. Okay, so I hope it will be useful for some people who are already sitting on Gentoo or wanted to sit on Gentoo and probably try out Gentoo. This tool will come handy to provide some sort of information about the underlying architecture of the specific package related stuff. Thanks for watching.